important. You know?
Yeah, that's right.
Just trying to work that out. Just trying to mark the hole where the hole is.
Yeah.
Because we need to punch the hole later on.
Yeah.
One. This one. I'm gonna do a slot.
Yeah. So it just goes through the slot, right?
So just mark it first.
Yeah. And then in the next version, we can just change that.
Change it.
So the hinge will go on.
Yeah. That one.
Yeah.
This one. So we're not confusing because they're all different heights.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I just want to show this tamarack joint. That looks amazing. Can I
Yeah.
I take it out? Could you
wanna
could you
take it
take it out and put it back in?
Oh,
That
okay.
looks
Yeah.
so good.
Here
It
we
fits
go.
really, really snug. Wow. That is amazing. That just fits perfectly.
Yeah, it fit perfectly.
Yeah.
Just the right size.
Yeah. And this gap, is that gap right? The gap between the
Yeah,
top
that's
and the bottom?
good because this one need to move.
Yeah.
So
It
that's
can
good.
move?
Yeah, it can
That's
move.
good.
He did quite well this one, but asked him to do
Yeah,
the curve, so he
that's
did
right,
really good.
that's right.
If it does, if it's too square, we can't bend that way.
Yeah, that's right.
See like,
Yeah.
see that little curve on that, so it can move that way.
Can move
Yeah.
up and down. So that curve looks
It's
pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But next time we could have, let me kind of line it up nicely. Yeah, it's good. They line it up nicely.
Yeah.
The height is good. Yeah. So yeah, it's good. Now I'm gonna drill the hole, 2 holes to make a slot.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I'm gonna do it better. I'm gonna let me drill it.
You're the master.